Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I use my Venmo debit card internationally? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm excited to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. The short answer is yes, you can use your Venmo debit card internationally. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees. You may be charged a foreign transaction fee when you use your Venmo debit card internationally. This fee will vary depending on your bank. Currency. Your Venmo debit card will be converted to the local currency of the country you're in. This means that you may not get the same exchange rate that you would if you were to use a travel credit card. Acceptance. Not all merchants accept Venmo debit cards. It's always a good idea to check with the merchant before you try to use your card. Here are a few additional tips for using your Venmo debit card internationally. Get a travel credit card. A travel credit card can offer you better exchange rates and no foreign transaction fees. Be aware of the exchange rate. Make sure you're aware of the exchange rate before you make a purchase. This way, you can avoid any surprises. Check with your bank. It's always a good idea to check with your bank before you travel internationally. They can provide you with more information about using your Venmo debit card abroad. So, there you have it. You can use your Venmo debit card internationally, but there are a few things to keep in mind. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and until next time.